take the engine out, all that's left holding the engine up is the support plate here. That's mounted on a cross member, and that cross member is mounted on each side here, and the front motor mount that has 4 bolts going onto the body. So before I put the motorcycle jack I have under here, I'm going to loosen these bolts here, because now I have a little bit more room, because once that jack is in there, things are going to get very tight. I'm going to loosen them, but not actually take them out. And remember your lefty loosey very tight, especially when you put it on the side of the bolt. Like I said, remember your lefty loosey very tighty? Well, I just got schooled and learned a lesson. I was actually tightening it, not loosening it. Stupid head. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna attempt to take these top bolts out. Come on! So the line here is the line for the clutch. The sleeve cylinder is like totally in the way here. Put a ratchet on. I'm sure one bolt on each side is gonna hold that engine up just fine. I can spin it with my hand, so I'm not worried about it. Okay, I'm taking this line off here. On the other side, and I cannot even put a socket in here. I'm mistaken. I'm not taking it all the way out. Alrighty, now we're gonna loosen our 50mm bolts here. I'm gonna actually take one out, loosen both, but take one right off, and do the same thing on the other side. Loosen both. I'm going to take the one closest to the center of the car right out. So now the engine is supported by nuts in the front and engine support plate that's connected to the cross member. Just differently. Like this. Like this. This should work just beautifully. Okay, cross member loosened and removed. Jack is locked in. Take the last 2 remaining nuts out, and this baby should come on down. Hopefully more graceful than last time. All right. The moment we have all been waiting for. Well, give it all, and I'll be waiting for it. Let's see. Hope it doesn't get snagged up on anything. and it'll just come right out. A funny bone, and a funny bone, and I'm not laughing. Oh. This is not the best, motorcycle jack to be used for this new project. Looking pretty good though. I'm just gonna go check the top. Wow. Engine is down. Woohoo! I'm going to raise the car because this engine is not going to come out that easily. I'm going to turn on something here. Looks like the handbrake cable got snugged up under the AC line. To replace. It's free! Engineer here. This is 2x4. I'm going to put the engine, which puts 2x4 between those white boards and the engine, okay? Ready?
Yep.
Okay, goodbye. Not even a minute.
Not even.
The best minute you give me all week. Oh, meh, 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 meh. That's it.